Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to write mixed numbers as improper fractions. Let us take an example here. We want to write 12, 4 over 5, this is a mixed number, as an improper fraction. We want to write this one as a improper fraction. Improper fraction. That is what the question is. How do we do that? These are the steps we want to follow. Step number one. We want to take the number in the denominator of the fraction, which is 5, multiply to the number on the side, which is 12, take the product of that and then add it to the numerator of the fraction, which is 4, and then divide the whole thing by 5, like that. So that is how we want to write it out. So therefore, in step number 2, we're going to simplify all of that. 5 times 12 is 60 plus 4 divided by 5. So 60 plus 4 is 64 divided by 5. So therefore, 64 over 5 is a improper fraction. This is a improper fraction. And we have converted a mixed number into an improper fraction. 12, 4 over 5 or 64 over 5 means exactly the same. 64 over 5 is in the improper fraction format. 12, 4 over 5 is in the mixed number format. Okay. Let us take another example here. Let's take another example. And in this example, let's say we want to write 5, 6 over 7. This is a mixed number to an improper fraction. We want to write this mixed number in an improper fraction format. Improper fraction format. How do we do that? We're going to write it out in terms of these steps, which will make it a lot easier for us to understand. We take the denominator of the fraction, which is 7, multiply to the number on the side, which is 5, take the product of that, and then add it to the numerator of the fraction, which is 6, and then divide the whole divide that whole of that expression by 7. So in step number 2, we're going to simplify that some more. So 7 times 5 is 35 plus 6 divided by 7. So 35 plus 6 is going to be equal to 41 divided by 7. 41 over 7 is in its improper format, improper fraction format. Improper fraction format, and therefore 5, 6 over 7, a mixed number like that, can be expressed as 41 over 7, which is in its improper fraction format. So this is how we want to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Let us try one more example in here, and then in this example, let's say we want to write 10, 5 over 8 as an improper fraction. We want to write this one as a improper fraction. How do we write that? We're going to write them out in these different steps, and using these steps we're going to write it out as follows. We take the denominator of the fraction, in this case which is 8, multiply to the number on the side. In this case we have 10. We take the product of that and then add it to the numerator of the fraction. We have 5 there, and then we divide this whole expression by the denominator value, which is 8. So in our second step, we're going to simplify this part of it. 8 times 10 is equal to 80 plus 5 divided by 8. 80 plus 5 is 85 divided by 8. 85 divided by 8 is in its improper fraction format. This is improper fraction format because the numerator is larger than the denominator. The numerator value is larger than the denominator value, and therefore it is an improper fraction. Therefore, a mixed number can always be expressed as an improper fraction format of this kind. 10 5/8 translates to 85/8 as an improper fraction. So in my next presentation, we shall see real-world application problems related to fractions.